Hello there, my name is McHorse, and welcome to a short video aimed to show the difference between director blocks and scenes, in order to convince you to switch from director blocks to scenes. I honestly don't mind that much people using director blocks, but I had to make this video to make people aware that director blocks functionality is going away in the next update, although all director blocks will be converted to scenes, so no data will be lost there. The reason for this decision is to simplify the development process for the next big feature, which would be a pain to develop if I'll have to do it for both scenes and director blocks. Sigh. Also, no spoilers for what is it going to be. Anyways, this video will be my final attempt to convert director block users to scenes, so bear with me. So, let's take a look at how you would set up a director block, record a single actor, and attach a playback button. Now, let's do the same thing, but with a scene. Now the same thing, but by using these keybinds. First with director block. Now the same thing, but with a scene. As you can see, it's almost the same thing. The difference with a scene is that you don't have to place anything in the world. You can manage the scene entirely in this menu. No need to remember the coordinates, and you can't lose the scene. It's correct that you can't teleport to the scene, as you can with director block by sneaking while right-clicking the playback button. However, in 2.0.2 update, I added teleport button and T-keybind, which allows you to teleport to the first frame of an actor. In my humble opinion, scenes are much convenient and simpler, although, after using director blocks for years, it might be a bit weird to use scenes, but give it a couple of days. Anyways, you're free to still use the director blocks in the old versions. I'm not trying to force the switch, however, all I want is everyone to be at least aware that scenes are not as difficult or confusing as they may seem to be. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.